On this day in history, September 1st, 1972, the chess match of the century took place in Reykjavik, Iceland. American Grandmaster Bobby Fischer defeated the reigning world champion, Russia's Boris Spassky, to become the first American-born player to hold the world title. Fischer, who was 29 at the time, was a chess prodigy. He won his first US championship at the age of 14, a tournament which he would go on to win a record-setting 8 times. Boris Spassky, then 35 years old, was the reigning world champion and a 2-time Soviet chess champion. However, the 1972 World Championship was unlike anything that had come before. Inside the chess world, Russia's dominance of world champions had stretched for 24 uninterrupted years, and Bobby Fischer was aiming to dethrone their reign, let alone become the first American to win the event. Outside of the match, the political pressure put on both players was unparalleled. 1972 marked the midpoint of the Cold War, during which the US and the Soviet Union were at odds, and the World Chess Championship became another battleground between the two for global dominance. Although the winner wouldn't change whether a full-scale war broke out, the implications that one could gain an edge over the other were still prevalent. In July 1972, Fischer's chess rating was a record 125 points ahead of Spassky, who was the second-ranked player in the world, making the American a favorite on paper. Although it's noted by many others that Fischer had never beaten Spassky before, drawing with him twice and losing 3 times. This set the stage for a world championship, which had its fair share of controversies. The match was a best of 24, and through late arrivals, apology letters, face-saving measures, and pushbacks, the world championship occurred. It took nearly 6 weeks of play, but finally on September 1st, when play was supposed to resume, Boris Spassky telephoned the head arbiter, expressing his resignation of the board, handing American Bobby Fischer the world title and complete dominance over the world of chess.